Hi, I'm Amy from the LangChain product team, and today I'm going to show you how to trace cursor applications in LangSmith. By the end of this video, every cursor agent turn you run should show up as a full trace in LangSmith. To get started, you'll need cursor installed, as well as Node.js, since cursor's hooks use a built-in node module to pull attachments out of cursor's local database, and a LangSmith API key. So first, open Cursor, go to Settings, then Plugins, and then paste this repo URL into the plugin link field. Confirm adding LangSmith tracing for cursor. This is the easiest way to install since the repo is a precompiled bundle that you can just add. Now restart cursor before we move on. Great. Now we're going to set a few environment variables in your shell config. And so I'm going to add these 3 lines. Trace to LangSmith turns tracing on, the API key authenticates you, and the project name is where traces will land. It defaults to the name cursor if you skip it, and if you'd rather not touch your shell, there's also a cursor langsmith.json config file option with the same fields. And so what I like to do to confirm the hook is actually live is to tail the log file with this command. Now I'm going to ask the cursor agent to perform a task. Great. So that should start running, and once it finishes, check the log. You should see hook activity, and then head to LangSmith and open the cursor project. You can see here that each turn is its own trace, and it's structured the same way every time. The model run at the top, then model name, token usage, input output, then any tool runs underneath, like file reads or shell commands. And if a subagent kicked in, it should show up as a nested task run with its own tool calls. If your prompt included an image or file, Cursor's local database actually holds onto that attachment, and the plugin recovers it and renders it right on the user message. And yeah, that's how you set up LangSmith tracing on Cursor. So to recap all of this, install the plugin, restart, set 3 environment variables, and every agent turn becomes an inspectable trace. If you watch the Claude Code or Codex versions of the series, you'll notice that the traces actually share a common structure under the hood, so you can compare all 3 agents in the same LangSmith workspace. Docs are linked below, and thanks for watching.